Welcome back. Now let's check in with the experts at Home Reno Direct.
What are the must-haves I should include in my bathroom renovation?
Well, definitely a large format tile. Minimize the grout, cleaning and destroys. Also recommend a walk-in shower, easier access. Adding extra light will make a huge difference. Ventilation is important. And also a nice space for vanities and storage.
I want to remodel my small kitchen. How can I make the space look larger?
Well, to increase the size of a kitchen, gives it the appearance of a larger kitchen, it's a good idea to use lighter colors, preferably high gloss. Knock some walls down if you can, if the space allows you. And at the same time, remove the bulkhead above the kitchen cabinets and take the cabinets all the way up to the ceiling. It gives it the appearance of a larger area.
Is it possible to relocate the fixtures in my basement bathroom?
Absolutely, you can change the fixtures as long as there's an open space where we could cut the concrete and relocate the drainage. It shouldn't be a problem at all.
How much will an addition to my home cost?
Adding an addition to a home could cost you anywhere from $150 a square foot all the way up as high as $350 a square foot. It really depending on the space and depending on the size of the room and the finishing inside. Are you adding a bathroom? Are you adding a kitchen? That's all will be added on to consider as an extra.
Thanks for watching the Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.